Maximizing output starts with the right packaging equipment. Polypack designs solutions for industries from food to pharmaceuticals, delivering shrink bundling and corrugated packaging tailored to your needs. Save time with our precise film perforation and separation technology, allowing you to use thinner film without static while maintaining strength. Experience precision, speed, and flexibility with our cutting-edge fabrication shop. With complete control over the manufacturing process, we utilize top-grade stainless steel and the finest components to ensure unparalleled quality and durability. Polypack's aftermarket team is made up of packaging industry experts, providing parts and service, including troubleshooting and preventive maintenance to keep your operations running smoothly. And we're not just committed to excellence, we're dedicated to sustainability. Our facility runs on solar power, helping to reduce your carbon footprint. Plus, with our energy-efficient tunnels, you can cut costs while going green. Join countless successful businesses and connect with our team of experts today.